Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a very quick autumn scene using the Amsterdam Acrylics, and I'm only going to be using the three primary colours with some white. And it's good now and again to practice your colour mixing by just using your primaries. So that was really the reason behind this tutorial today. You'll see that some of the colour mixes are very obvious, so I'm getting green from the yellow and the blue added together and orange from the yellow and the red added together, but you'll also notice as we go along where I add little touches of the other colours to them just to knock them back. So when I begin with the sky, you'll see I add white and blue together, and then I put a tiny touch of the red and yellow in, which is obviously orange being on the opposite side of the colour wheel to blue, and that just knocks it back a little bit, makes it a bit more neutral and not just as bright a blue. Equally, I make quite a few different greys and browns out of the three primaries all added together, and you can get such a wide variety, and that's a good thing to practice and even make a colour chart for yourself of making lots of different browns and greys using your three primaries mixed together. So the only other colour I need to mention really is at the end I use the white mixed with the yellow to do the highlights. Sometimes white on its own is a little bit of a harsh highlight. You might just want to add a little touch of colour into the white to use as a highlight. So that's it really. I'm just working, like I say, wet into wet very quickly, quite impasto in places, leaving the paint very thick. You'll notice I have to work the paint into the paper quite a bit at the beginning because this paper has a canvas weave in it. It's the Winsor & Newton Galleria paper, which is designed for oils and acrylics. But like I say, work your paint into that because you do get that little bit of a weave. I don't add much water to the paint at all. I'm pretty much using it straight out of the tube. I begin with a flat brush and then I end up with a round brush. Both of those brushes are acrylic, nice and easy to wash and to use. So I think the second brush would be about a size 6, something like that, with a nice tip on it. I mix the colours both on the palette, which is one of those disposable ones, and I also mix the colours on the paper as well, just allowing them to merge into each other, getting some of those shadow colours, getting some of the shadow in the trees. And you'll see I don't spend a lot of time over this. I'm not getting it very accurate with each little individual leaf. I'm just trying to get an impression of the light through the leaves and the colours of the leaves. So that's what we're looking at really in this, is light and colour, and just having a play with mixing those primaries and trying to see how many different colours we can get out of those in one little painting. So if you have time to do something like this, it's really a good exercise just to have a good go with your primaries. Like I say, make some colour charts up as well in whatever media you've got with your colours. Have a go at making some nice browns, some nice dark colours, as well as those lovely autumn oranges and yellow. I've recently had a lot of questions about the music that I've been using and about the artists and some of the names of the songs that I've been putting on my videos. I will put a link down in the description below to Epidemic Sound, which is where I get that music from, for those of you that do want to go across to that website and have a listen to the music there. So they've got lots of different genres, lots of different artists, some that are very different to the ones that I've put on here, so it all depends on your taste, but there's a massive variety of music there. So any of you that did need music for on your own videos, I will put that link down below, but for anybody who just wants to go along and listen and have a look at what they've got as well, that is in the description. So as well as that link, I'll also put a link there for you to pixabay.com. If you go on there, if you do want to do a little autumn scene like this yourself, if you pop autumn trees into the search engine on Pixabay, there are some absolutely beautiful photographs, reference photographs there for you to work from to get some of these lovely autumn colours that you can have a go at. If you have any more questions regarding what I've been doing today on this picture, if you want to put those in the comments below, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, enjoy your painting and drawing and enjoy the rest of the video. Actually, whilst I mentioned drawing, that's one thing I should have said. I didn't do any drawing with this. Just get stuck in with your paints. Keep it very loose and impressionistic, and don't worry about doing a drawing first. Just do the drawing with your paints when you're doing this exercise. Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video. I'll pop some music on now. And I'll be back again soon with more tutorials and demonstrations. Bye for now.
Your smile, your style so fly, my oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there